Well, thank you, Dylan. Right, so this is in short what we do. We are a Filecoin-based storage provider that provides infrastructure for disaster recovery data storage. Dylan has gone over a little bit about disaster recovery, and now I'm going to address the question that's on everybody's mind, Filecoin. So what is Filecoin and why do we choose to do what we do here? We believe Filecoin is the next generation of storage. To put it simply, there's a definition out there that is very easy to understand. It is a decentralized storage network that allows users to rent out unused storage space and earn Filecoin in return. To earn Filecoin in return. How wonderful is that? And it is invented by the Protocol Labs. They are a bunch of Stanford PhD-led research group, and that was launched around 2014. And then, as you see, they have received lots of funding, lots of research going to there. And then we already have lots of early adopters from both Web 2 and Web 3 companies. Although, if you were to take a look at the timeline of how Filecoin decentralized storage ecosystem evolved, you would have told this is not a new technology at all. So since the foundation of Protocol Labs around 2014 May, IPFS has come a long way, which is interplanetary filing system. And this is the major decentralized technology that is used on the blockchain. So in 2017, the Protocol Labs, they decided to do an ICO of Filecoin to both incentivize the miners and also to encourage more disaster recovery storage cases on the chain. So they launched Filecoin, this internal token that circulates within the blockchain. And instantly, they raised over 200 million in 30 minutes. Ooh. And then the public utility of Filecoin, as I believe, has got more commonly recognized around 2021 April, when the Internet Archive, America's biggest digital library, adopted Filecoin technology and accepted 50,000 files from Filecoin Foundation to store their entire digital archive on-chain with Filecoin. And now this is today. The total circulating supply of Filecoin is around 1.9 billion files. That is nothing short of like 9 billion USD. And then the 24-hour trading volume is around $94 million. And now you may ask, what has all this to do with us? We're talking about the Protocol Labs and Filecoin. What has it to do with us? The answer is everything. So we are miners, we are storage providers. We're also the infrastructure provider of this ecosystem. The Protocol Labs, they are just a research lab, and they provide the innovative, wonderful technology that we pick up and then we offer to clients. So what do we do here exactly? As a storage provider, or the largest Filecoin storage provider in North America, we set up IDCs, which is Internet Data Centers all over the world. We host storage devices, hard disks, shelves and racks of storage devices all over the world too in our IDCs. And then we engage engineers to set up, operate, and maintain our Filecoin node on each of those addresses on blockchain. And then we also put up collateral of Filecoin to make sure all these machines run 24/7. And of course, we pay electricity bill. And we do all these to make sure we lay out the groundwork of this ecosystem so that our data clients, whoever it is, can be a Web 2 company or just average user like you and me, who has the need to store data, to store on Filecoin using IPFS technology that is created by the Protocol Labs, of course. And now we've come to the wonderful bit. What I have described is mining activity. So the mechanism makes sure that miners get rewarded. But who is giving out this reward? Not us, not our data clients, not even the Protocol Labs. It's a mechanism. So the Filecoin protocol, it is an algorithm that is written by the Protocol Labs that makes sure that reward the miners in terms of block reward. So upon verification of storage space, that has been utilized on-chain, and upon verification of collateral being pledged, they will issue that reward in a safely and timely manner, like 30 seconds.
You got it.
Yeah.
30 seconds.
Yeah, Chase will go over that later. Yeah, so this is a mechanism that makes sure that everything that is in use will reward to everyone. Now this is a little history about us, and also why would you mine with us instead of mining with lots of other storage providers out there. So we have about 12 IDCs in 5 countries, but they weren't built in one day. We started out a little bit in Bitcoin mining back in 2014, and then we accounted for about 2% of the global Bitcoin computing power overall. And then we pivoted to Filecoin. And then because of that little history, we have invested and owned lots of infrastructure and hardwares all over the world. That kind of gives us 2 competitive advantages over other competitors. First of all, we're fully decentralized. We're global because we have data centers everywhere. We have engineering manning all these storage nodes that make sure that we're 24/7 and we troubleshoot any hiccups in mining activity. And second, we're fully transparent. That means anyone who mines with our Aurora project out there, they were able to have full visibility of their block rewards on-chain and in real time. Here are just some facts and figures of what we had done. So we have managed over 10,000 computing servers, altogether 151 Filecoin storage nodes, and we own a network of 100,000 Filecoin miners, and still expanding. Now, why we're doing this here in the US? So I have kind of briefed you on the infrastructure that we have and our role in the ecosystem. And now there comes the goal. Our goal in the US is to build the largest decentralized disaster recovery storage network in the world. Upon our assessment, America is the right market to go into because people here believe in disaster recovery and data storage. That is our goal, to build 10,000 decentralized disaster recovery nodes. That is, in total, achieving 10 exabyte of combined storage capacity at only 1/10 of the cost what Amazon is charging you. Well, these figures might look daunting, but actually, they're not ambitious at all. We have already offered prices even lower than that in our latest data ingestion module. So, it is our job here today to invite each and every one of you to become a miner, to join us in this disaster recovery network. And we'll see to it that you'll get rewarded. Well, not us, but the mechanism. Yeah. Now, Daly is going to talk more about the product and to just show you how and why the reward can be distributed fairly.